What are you hungry for today? Culinary inspiration? Pre-portioning tips? Kid-pleasing solutions? Or how about full recipes and to-go options?
Our team is ready to help.
Here at Land O'Lakes, our culinary team is made up of accredited chefs, commercial and non-commercial product specialists, dietitians, and nutrition experts.
And our kitchen is your kitchen.
Let us be your resource for creative kitchen solutions, from working to increase your bottom line to encouraging student participation.
Got educational needs? We do that too.
We can provide new concept or recipe development, trend analysis, and culinary ideation.
But that isn't even close to everything we do.
We can also help with product training, best practices, recipe expansion, kitchen skills, and flavor evaluation.
And we make all that happen in our kitchen or yours, virtually or in person.
Our culinary team is ready and willing to collaborate with you and your staff.
Because we live and breathe culinary service.
And we're here to deliver plenty of inspiration.
So reach out to us, because with Land O'Lakes by your side, you can
choose it,
Make it.
own it.
and let's get cooking.